Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we're going to do yoga to improve the health of your thyroid gland. So let's begin. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and click on this bell icon and stay tuned. So starting off, coming into the Vajrasana, sitting on to your heels, bringing your hands on your knees, close your eyes, and then bringing your chin gently towards your chest. Your chin is not touching the chest, it's gently going towards so that you can keep breathing in and out. Back to the center. One more time. Bring your chin towards the chest, but the chin is not touching the chest. You're breathing in and out normally. Come back to the center, and this time you're gonna inhale, and now bringing your chin to the chest, and you will hold the breath. So inhale, chin to the chest, hold the breath. Gently release and exhale. One more time, inhale. Chin to the chest, hold the breath. Gently release and exhale. We were holding for about 10 to 15 seconds. Next we will do Camel Pose, stand up on your knees. Inhale, bringing your right hand and bring it onto your right leg. And then check if you can bring another hand the same way. And then drop your head back. Stay there for at least 15 seconds. To come back the same way. Inhale, bringing your left hand up, right hand up. And then sit down back into the Vajrasana. And then lie down onto your back. Hands by the side, feet together, tuck your chin to the chest. Then inhale, use your muscles in your abdomen to lift your legs up. And then push with your hands all the way, legs up. Excellent pose for your thyroid gland. Close your eyes, stay there. 20 seconds. To come out of the pose, lower your head down and bring your hands on the ground. Roll yourself easily. Bring your hands by the side, push with your elbows, lift your head up. Now chest out and roll your head back, and you hang your head using your shoulders. Let go of the neck completely. Make sure you're not feeling any discomfort or pain. 15 seconds. Bring your head up and then gently roll down. Relax for a moment. And then bring your both hands on the legs, feet together, hands on the thighs, tuck your chin to the chest, then inhale, lift your head up, and hands up. Make sure that the pressure is coming in this area. Exhale down. 3 times. Inhale, up. Exhale down. And if you're holding it for longer, then you can keep breathing, so you don't need to choke yourself. One more time. Inhale, come up. Exhale down. And then bend your knees. Hold the ankles if possible, otherwise bring your feet palm flat on the ground. Because I can hold the ankles, so I will hold the ankles. Then inhale, lift your hips all the way up. Roll your shoulders onto the ground, so the shoulders are standing on the ground, and that will make your chin touching your chest. Exhale, come down, and you can repeat this pose for 2 to 3 times. After that, let go for a moment again. And then sit up. Bringing your feet together, chest up, extend the leg and then bend them. Keep your chest up. Extend the leg, bend them. 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 Extend, bend. Last, extend and bend. Sit down. Sit in Sukhasana, close your eyes and rest. So practicing these asanas will help improve the health of your thyroid gland. Practice these asanas and keep me updated, keep me posted how it's going. If there's anything that I can do to help you improve your asana practice, then also let me know. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I hope to see you in the next video. Namaste.